Hi everyone, this is Oracle from Oracle Digital. I have with me a handheld sewing machine and I want to show you how to operate it. The handheld sewing machine is portable and compact in the sense that there is a lot of inbuilt features in it. Let's take a look at the features and learn how it works. First of all, learn how to power the handheld sewing machine. Since it is cordless, it means you have to power it with a battery. Note that the batteries are not included when you purchase it. Here is the battery case. You need 4 batteries to power it up. The manufacturer also made provision for electricity in case you come across the recommended power cable. So now let's understand how the threading works. The handheld sewing machine always comes threaded. So here is the thread holder. This is an adjustable tension. With this, you can select stitching if you like your stitch to be tight or loose. This is the lifter and here is how to lift. Very easy. This knob here, right here, is used in controlling the needle. When you turn it like this, you are raising the needle up. When you turn it this way, the needle goes down. That's the work of this one. So, lastly, this is the power switch. This is the power switch. You press and hold it to sew. Once you remove your hand, the stitching will stop. To continue, you press and hold it this way. Since we are now familiar with the handheld sewing machine, I am going to show you how to thread it. The thread has to follow these guides. It's super easy to thread. Now, here is a trick. If you look inside here, there is a hook right there. You have to pass the thread through it with the way I am holding the thread this way. Be careful, for that hook is very sharp. That's it. I'm going to use my threader. This one came with a handheld sewing machine. It helps in passing the thread through the needle's eye. Here we go. The machine is threaded and ready for some stitches. Yeah. Now, in case you exhaust all the thread that comes with the machine, there is provision for the normal size thread that is always available. All you need to do is to install the big thread holder. Carefully pull out this thread. Let me unthread this first. With care, pull out the thread holder and install this other one. And you will still thread it in the same way I did before, the exact same way. There is no difference. No difference at all. Okay. It is time to power up the machine. I have with me 4 alkaline batteries. Before installing the battery, I recommend you to lock the power switch. You lock it so as to avoid accidental stitching. After locking the power switch, you can carefully turn it upside down and prepare for installation of the batteries. This is the negative of the battery. I am placing the negative at this place. Watch carefully. You make sure that the negative head is here, and this place is for the positive head of the battery. This is the battery head. It should be at this small pin, while the negative will be placed like this. Now, we have our batteries well installed. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to sew with a handheld sewing machine. Since I have already threaded the machine and powered it, what I have to do now is to start sewing. I have with me a piece of fabric for demonstration purpose. So let's go and start sewing. In order to start sewing, I will turn the machine towards my direction. I will let the side with the thread back me. Make sure not to mix that up. Now, raise up the lifter. Watch how I'm placing the fabric. Okay? Unlock the power switch. Press and hold. That is it. Wow. That was very fast. Very, very fast. See how perfect. Just take a look. Wait, let me disconnect this first. See how perfect the stitching is. Did you see that? Take a look. Pay close attention to the stitches. You will find out that this is a unique stitch. This is because the handheld sewing machine does not have a down thread. There is no down thread there. Just like all the other big sewing machine and the mini sewing machine, there is no bobbin in it. With this type of stitch, the seam can easily loose. You see that? That is the way it is designed. See, it's pulling out. It's pulling out. It's losing. But that's not a problem. In order to secure the stitch, the manufacturer already provided a threader. I'm going to secure my stitch with this threader. And here is how I will achieve that. Watch out. I drag this out very easily. Take a very close look at this. The stitch is locked. There you go. It won't pull out again. It's locked. It's secured, very strong. Neither is it going to pull out from this side. See how perfect the stitch is. And this is how you can sew with a handheld sewing machine. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please give me a like. You can drop a comment in the comment section to tell me what was most useful in the video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button because the next time I will be dropping a video on how to fix the handheld sewing machine when it's not stitching. Please share this video. Thank you for watching.